Hey y'all, what y'all doing out there? Let me tell you something. I went out earlier. Matter of fact, I didn't even tell you what day it was. Today is March 13th, 2018. The time is now around 1 in the afternoon. But earlier, I went out this morning. I went out at 9 and I lost the baby and I went back out. But when I came back in, it was around 10 or so. And that video I did, you see that it was raining hard. Now, I changed the combination of my jacket because earlier I had on a gold jacket for Primark jacket that I've had for a while for below zero weather and blizzards. We'll see how this holds up out there, okay? But what I wanted to say is that I still had on that same beautiful soft sweater underneath. It's so warm, and I'm still rocking my Americano hat. And you see African or whatever. Now we got the gloves. Pretty much just change up the outfit. But I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna see how the difference has made since 10 to now. Okay? And ooh, let me see. Terrible lighting. Terrible lighting. I really can't do this thing. So let me go outdoors. I'm gonna have somebody help me film this one today. I'm attempting to go back out. I don't do no makeup. Shit. Don't really. And I never claimed to be a makeup artist or a fashionista. I never claimed none of those things. It's just that I love fashion. I love being warm. This is a great time of year to rock your jackets, rock your coats, rock the warm ones, especially when it's like this. Okay, we're gonna go inside right now, and we're gonna see what's going on. Everybody looks still. Oh wow! Look at that. They put some salt down where I live. Oh, but the block is pretty much clear. You can see straight through to down the street. Straight through to down the street. Here we go. I'm back on my block then. Let me see. Okay, the back is clear. I can go and take out my trash. Because I was thinking I wasn't going to be able to take my trash out today. Because they did have a warning that the trash truck was not going to be coming out today. And I was on Facebook for a little while. I don't really go on Facebook that much. Facebook's not really my cup of tea. I just really go on there most of the time to look for my family and my really, really, really good friends that I've known for a long time. Oh, wow. Look at this. See? And now, you cannot see, oh my God, now, look, OMG. Okay. Well, I want you to see now. See now where my boots are? See now? You see now? Oh gosh. See where I am now? Before it was up to my ankles, now it's almost up to my, well, it is up to my knees if I stand. Oh boy, I feel like I'm on Mount Everest. Oh gosh. Seriously. So now I'm gonna try to make it to the Salvation Army. I'm gonna try. I gotta try. Yeah? Okay. Take a walk with me on the street. Listen, I live down by where I live. It's clear. You can see from. Look at this building. Oh, yo. That's amazing how this door is stuck on there. Here comes Claudia. Hey, look at that snow bunny down there. OMG. Okay, let me check. You see how beautiful that is? Now, let's get a shot of this. Let's get a shot of it. Whoa, let's get a shot of this. This is what it's like out here. This weather. Here's Claudia. She's gonna be filming. filming my take on this weather. Here's my camera person. Here you go, Claudia.
Live. Isn't this wonderful? Isn't this wonderful? It's just
Turn
so
it around
beautiful.
backwards, Claudia.
Hi.
Turn it around backwards and then you can get me from the back. There you go. Hi, I can see myself. Oh my God, this is so great. Let me tell you something. You know, in Chelsea, Massachusetts, where I live, I'm always vlogging about it because I just love this town. I mostly love snow. I love the snow. Yes, you see all the snow. Put it down here, Claudia. See where my boots are? You, okay. Oh, there I go. Hey, like my jacket? Beautiful, ain't it? It's below zero weather. That's what it feels out like here. But, like I was saying earlier, compared to last year around this time, this is really strong, but it's not like stinging our face. Now, me and Claudia are going to take a further walk because you know I don't usually take no walk further off my block when I'm reporting weather, but we're going to go take a walk now. Claudia and I. That's Claudia. Let's take our walk.
Day.
Hey!
Beautiful day in our neighborhood.
Oh, look how beautiful it is. Now, see over there with those beautiful white trees? I wish it could stay like this all the time. It looks so pristine. It looks so still. Oh my God, this keeps the fucking drugs out of the neighborhood and everything. God, thank you.
Clean.
Thank you. Thank you. That's clean. Look at it. Oh my God. Look at this. You know, let me tell y'all. Y'all know I'm always walking up this street right here. Look at that.